Whew. Well, I guess I needed some sleep, huh? Well, good morning and welcome to day 19. It's almost day 20, almost a quarter of the way through, guys. This is insane. So this morning I weighed in at 188.6. I did go to the gym yesterday. I had a perfect day yesterday as far as food, and I'm guessing that the 2.6 pound increase is just a water weight from lifting. Yeah, it's cold in my car. You can see my breath. It's pretty cold. It's -3 degrees right now. Fahrenheit, for those of you that are watching that are in Celsius. 2.6 pounds, not gonna let it get me down. Physically speaking, I know that I'm down to 186. I'm just gonna keep plugging away. Today is exciting because I get to have a long day with my wife. All the kids are doing sleepovers today, so it's just me and the wife out on a date. Haven't had one of those in a very long time. I'm very much looking forward to that. I expect work to be pretty busy. We'll see how the day goes. I'm pretty optimistic about it. Today is also day one of my competition on the Apple Watch with my friend Rocky. I had planned on getting up and going to the gym, but I could barely drag myself out of bed this morning. I'm actually pretty late to leaving town here. That doesn't mean I can't be active and moving. So one thing we did is we synchronized our activity rings. So the move goal, exercise ring, and stand ring are all the same goal for Rocky and I. So now he and I have a baseline to work off of and hopefully keep things pretty even. I'm kind of excited about this. I'm definitely thankful for the suggestion, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this competition goes, especially the fact that it'll drive me to be more active. While I'm thinking about it, hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel, and let's get on with the day. All right, well, I'm heading home now. Gonna go shopping, out to eat with my wife. A date night without the kids is gonna be great. I made a really good lunch for today, and I left it in the fridge. I realized it right when I got to work, so I didn't get to eat my fish and rice, so I'm pretty low on calories. I had some pork rinds, so like 180 calories there. I had a protein bar and then some almonds. Needless to say, this cheat meal I'm about to have, I'm really looking forward to it because I am starving. It was a busy day, it was a good day. Competition-wise with Rocky right now, I am way behind because he's been pretty active today and I slept through my alarm and did not go to the gym. And Athletics said that my recovery was super low. Now, I will factor that in probably to the fact that I've been doing a low power mode test, and low power mode does not sleep track. So Athletic probably is looking at the lack of sleep data and saying I didn't get enough sleep and is telling me to recover. So chances are I didn't factor that in when looking at the information, but I feel pretty good, and if I wasn't going out tonight, I probably would be in the gym. We'll see how the night goes. There's still time to be active and close my rings. I'm coming for you, Rocky. I'm coming. So I wanted to do a quick recap on day 19. My evening was really good. I spent the entire time with my wife. We went out to eat, had a really good cheat meal. Lots of chicken tenders, french fries, but I'm not used to eating that much anymore, so I got full really fast. We were gonna go get ice cream, but by the time we were done eating, we didn't have any room left for ice cream, so we ended up skipping that. We ended up watching a silly movie, went shopping. So overall, it was a really good night. Having a cheat day, nothing wrong with that. It's great to spend time with family, be able to eat some food you love to eat. It's all about balance in your journey. So thank you so much for that recommendation on having one cheat meal a week. Thank you for the recommendation for having competition against somebody with an Apple Watch. That was a genius idea. And so far the competition's going really well. I am a little behind because Rocky is a little bit more active than me, but that is gonna push me to be more active. So I'm looking forward to a good night's rest and to hopefully hit the gym tomorrow. Now, one thing I wanted to mention to all of you who are following me, who are maybe just deciding to subscribe to my channel, I'm now transitioning this portion of my videos, the weight loss journey, into a 1-a-week video. So I'm gonna recap the entire week every week, and I'll post hopefully every Saturday. So I'm really excited about the week coming up, and I can't wait to share with you the results of the competition I'm having with Rocky on my Apple Watch. I can't wait to show you the results of how much I lost in this coming week. I would love your feedback on suggestions or thoughts, maybe some challenges you want me to try this week that I can include in the video. So hit that like like button, comment below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the videos coming. Until next time, have a great week and God bless.